Assalamu alaikum. It's very important that we actually focus on everything we do towards pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Why? Because this is the only focus that we need in our lifetime. It's exactly what Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala demands us and commands us to do so. If we actually made our life focus towards the pleasing of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in everything we do, in all of our matters, in all of our affairs, in all of our relationship, just do everything about pleasing Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Just do everything to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If we did that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will direct everything and fall in place for you, to put everything in order for you. It's very important that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us rewards for simple little things. If you please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala by sleeping on your right side, by following the sunnah, or recite something before bed, it's an ibadah. If you make wudu and you stay in the state of wudu, that's an ibadah. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala rewards you for that. So simple little things get plenty of rewards. So we need to actually do everything. You want to love your mom just because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded you to do so. If you love your children, if you take care of your children to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala commanded you to do so. If you please your husband, if you please your wife, if you take care of them, if you respect your spouse to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala puts so much barakah in your relationship. So every single thing that you do or you require in your life for your own pleasure, if you do it for the sake of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, it becomes an ibadah. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives you tons of reward. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is the most merciful, most consistently merciful, and He is the benefactor for everything in your lifetime, in your death, in your relationship, everything. So please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in everything you do, and make the niyyah or the intention to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in everything you do. Like for instance, if you give reward, if you give charity, if you give anything to anybody, say Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I'm doing it to please you, to actually get a benefit of my akhirah from you, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will accept it, inshallah. If you please your parents, if you actually serve your parents, make a niyyah that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I'm doing it for your sake. I'm doing it because you have commanded me to be respectful to your parents. You have commanded me to be serving my parents. So if you do that, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you. Yes, you will still please your parents, but Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you because the focus of your intention is to please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. If you nurture your kids, if you nurture your relationship with your spouse, just make sure that you say, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, I'm doing it for your sake, accept it from me, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will reward you. Remember, if you stop pleasing Allah's creation and only please Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in your life, in everything you do, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala make the creation love you, care for you, and respect you, inshallah. Keep me in your du'as.